Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the Fish Attractor in Heartopia. So what is Fish Attractor? It works almost like bait. It will help you attract more fish and makes more fish shadows appear in your fishing area. But here's the difference. Fish Attractor gives a stronger effect, lasts longer, and attracts more fish compared to a regular bait. And then how do you use it? First, just open your inventory and then just take your Fish Attractor, this one, and then just simply tap on use like this. And then next, just equip your fishing rod and then just start fishing like this. Just start fishing as usual and then just enjoy the catching more. The effect will last about 1 minute. So just fish as much as possible during that time to maximize your result. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!